Don't mind me, I'm just excited about today's topic because of the good news I've brought to us today. We're looking at a very important topic in continuation of our previous video. We talked about the new retail concept, the importance, and what it has done for us. The usual experience we have for most of us that have actually experienced the e-commerce or online sales is you place your order online or you source your product, then your product comes to you, and then you start running Facebook adverts, sourcing for customers online or from wherever, then you start selling it to them. Oftentimes you and I, we know the experiences that comes from our customers. Sometimes they don't pay, sometimes they don't buy, sometimes they even reject your product, and you have to bear the cost, you have to bear the loss at the same time. But in this new concept we are actually looking at today is a very typical example of all we have to look at today. The company that practicalizes it more very well is a company called Chymall, the Chymall. It's a registered company here in Nigeria, and people are already looking at how it's changing the world and how you and I can actually look into more into it and say, okay, this is actually the good side of this business and the bad side of it. But so far people are seeing the good side of this business because of their concept or the advantages that this company has been carrying alongside. So today I'm going to walk us through on how this company Chymall has been leveraging on the concept proposed by Chymall since 2016, talking about cutting down costs to increase sale. That is the advantage that we have today, and that is the good news we'll carry around. So how does it work? You basically have to choose your package either from VIP 1 to 6, and then you now get on board, and then the company buys your product for you and then source for buyers, sell it for you within 10 days. Then you get your money paid into your account. You don't have to think about your customers, how your product will be sold, the cost of logistics, way bill, and all of those things. Those things are not part of your stress. That's why we are talking about the new retail concept. It is an advantage that you and I have, and we are really going to leverage on it and see how we can grow our business and see how we can raise finance for the things we want to do. Maybe you don't really know the kind of business you want to start. You are even afraid of investing your money in a particular business. You don't even know about the revenue, how long it's going to take you for you to start making profit or actually starting the kind of business you want to start. Click on my video here to see a video I did on how you can actually start a business at least within 20 to 50k. This video will explain in details how you can actually get started. They are cutting costs for you, the cost of operation, they are cutting it down to the BRS minimum, and then for you and I to drive more sales and make more profit. That's basically what the new retail concept is all about, and how you and I can also leverage on it to build our own businesses and also do more of the things we want to do. In our future videos, I'm going to explain to us how we can also implement these concepts in the things we do. Thank you. See you in our next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Invite your friends to also join us to subscribe. Share this video as we are going together to see how we can keep dishing out more content to all of us, seeing how we can grow alongside with each other. Thank you so much for your time.